everyone. This morning, I need to put the record straight this morning. I need to clear some things that some people have been saying about me in regards to my claims about Mathias Ezeaku. I need to clear the air this morning so that you out there will know what to say and what not to say. I never denied that Mathias Ezeaku gave me 10,000 naira from his pocket. Please, the 90,000 naira Wise Now TV is claiming that I collected from Mathias Ezeaku. He should provide the evidence or remain silent. And I never called Mathias Ezeaku a bad person. All I said is that if Mathias Ezeaku, said that Christian is bad and they are the cause of the evil that has been befalling Nigeria, why is he taking the same step that the Christian has told? Why is he following the same step? Because if you look at all his doings, there is no difference with that of Christianity. So why condemning Christian to grow your own? Secondly, I said Mathias Ezeaku is not representing African tradition. Tradition is not religion. Mathias Ezeaku is making tradition look like religion, and that is my grievances with him. That is where I disagree with him, and I have right to my own personal opinion. If you say Christianity has done us more harm than good, what have you done us as well if you are still following the same step? The other day I saw you collecting yam and monetary stuffs in your church, because it's a church, it's not a shrine. So please, don't quote me wrong. I've never condemned him, but I condemn his activities. In regards to Christian religion, he should focus. Because it is wrong for you to condemn something and still follow it. It means you are just trying to build your own cabal and extort from people. What Mathias is doing is just trying to build his own cabal. Maybe to build his business or to support his business, but to me, I don't see anything different from what Christianity is doing and what Mathias is doing. That is just it. Take it or leave it. And that is why I denounce my membership and my followership. You can't be deceiving people. Christian is our problem today, Christian is our problem tomorrow. You are attacking this one, next tomorrow you are but you are still doing exact the same of what those people you are condemning are doing. So what is the use of your condemnation? Why not work in hand for the betterment of the people? You are making your followers hate Christians while you are doing what Christian leaders are doing. 100%. If you really want to teach about tradition or omenala or which one you choose to call it, go back to your village. Omenala the first meeting of omenala is your umunna. I'm not even sure if somebody like Mathias belongs to an umunna. But I have never seen his umunna visit him like they visit others. So he's just beating about the bush, trying to prove a point that never existed because he wants to prove a point. Because he wants the gullibles to follow his footsteps. But I am not part of it. I know what it when I see one. I know somebody who means well for his people when I see one. So Mathias is not even one among them. Mathias is just busy building his own business. People are sending money to you as support, and you are taking the glory to yourself. The hospital you built, how much is your personal money that was invested in that hospital? How much is your personal money? All the branches you are building, how are you going to manage them? You don't even know the long-term effect of what you are doing. Today Aba branch, tomorrow Abuja branch, next tomorrow Togo branch, and all these things, how are you going to manage them? If you say you are not running a church, you are running a church already. Stop deceiving people, stop making people feel guilt. And to those of you talking about my experience with my ex-wife, if you want to know the truth, you ask me. Yes, I sent her away because she was having an affair with her pastor, and the man actually tried to buy me, and I escaped. And the person that saved me is not Mathias Ezeaku. Yes, I did not report the case to Mathias. The case was reported to Berekete family and Nigerian police force, and I ended up divorcing the same person. So I don't see anything big in it. I don't see reason why anybody should come out and be saying, Mathias helped me when the pastor. Mathias never helped me. Mathias, like every other Nigerian, only did their part to support their brother. So I don't know why somebody should come out and say that now Mathias saved me. Mathias never saved me. Why is now TV? Mind what you say. You said Mathias gave me 90,000. I am here to debunk that. Mathias never gave me any 90,000 naira. Or you prove it to me that Mathias actually did. So for those of you who are out there saying all manner of things, I'm going to explain that to, but not now. For now, let's focus on Mathias and his agenda. If he has any other agenda, let him come out openly and tell us that, okay, oh, this is my agenda, this is what I want to do. Then we'll know. Not hiding under Mathias Ezeaku to perpetrate whatever he wants to perpetrate. Stop hiding under religion. That is my message to you, Mathias. Stop hiding under religion. Stop hiding under Omenana. You are not representing Omenana. You are not even anywhere close to Omenana. Your activities is far away from Omenana. So that is it for now. And for those of you who think you can bully me to silence, you cannot. Mathias' activities has nothing to do with Omenana. Has nothing to do with tradition. He's busy building his own religion, whatever name he chooses to call it. That is left for him. But if Mathias thinks he's doing Omenana, let him go and ask his village people how to practice Omenana. You can't be gathering people and say you are practicing Omenana. You are not. You are not doing Omenana. That is just it. And I'll be coming back to explain more on this.